I have a very stupid idea. How you see, the river overflowed. Here is small pond. And I was wondering, you can see the fish, they can swim in. Do pikes come on that kind of small ponds? Let's test. I don't think, but... Yeah! There is pike! Jesus! I didn't expect that! Did you see? My God! I never thought the pike will come in that kind of place. It's good I tried. It's not big one. Come closer, come closer. No, yeah, come closer. Yes! First pike of the day. How you can see, it just overfloated. Let's see that little jack pike. I thought I will throw for a fun. But look, little jack pike. On this overflowed river in this small pond. I never thought they're gonna be for real pike. It's time to release. Relax a little bit. It's time to go back home. Go back home. Yeah, go back. There he goes.